Welcome back to BabyNBeauty, where we dive deep into the products that actually make a difference in your daily life. Today, we're talking about something that might just transform the way you sleep: body pillows. Now, body pillows have moved far beyond being niche comfort accessories. Sleep specialists recommend them for side sleepers, people with back or hip pain, pregnant users, and really anyone who wants better spinal alignment during rest. But with so many options out there, which one is truly worth your money? We spent weeks testing across sleep positions, climates, and materials, and one pillow stood out above the rest. Our best overall pick: the full-length shredded memory foam body pillow. Let's break down why this pillow wins. First, support and alignment. Unlike polyester-filled pillows that flatten overnight, shredded memory foam keeps its loft and spacing. That means consistent knee and hip support, reduced spinal torque, and real relief for side sleepers. If you've ever woken up with lower back pain, this pillow could be a game changer. Next, comfort and feel. This pillow strikes a rare balance. It's firm enough to support your body weight, but soft enough to hug comfortably. It adapts as you move, instead of locking you into one position. That flexibility makes it ideal for restless sleepers or anyone who doesn't want to feel trapped by their pillow. Temperature regulation is another big win. Thanks to its breathable cotton or bamboo blend cover, heat retention was noticeably lower than solid foam or microfiber alternatives. It's not technically a cooling pillow, but it avoids that dreaded heat trap, making it suitable for warm climates and year-round use. Durability? After multiple nights of compression and repositioning, the pillow consistently rebounded to its original loft. No clumping, no uneven distribution, just reliable support night after night. That's something budget pillows simply can't match.
So, who should buy this pillow?
Side sleepers looking for hip and knee support, people with lower back or sciatic discomfort, pregnant users needing adaptable positioning, and anyone tired of flat or overstuffed polyester pillows. Who might skip it? If you prefer ultra-soft, cloud-like pillows, want something compact for travel, or are sensitive to memory foam, even shredded varieties, you may want to explore alternatives. Speaking of alternatives, U-shaped body pillows are fantastic for pregnancy support, but can feel bulky. Polyester-filled pillows are cheaper, but they lose shape quickly. Solid memory foam offers firm support, but it's less adaptable and tends to trap heat. Each has its place, but none match the versatility of shredded memory foam. Final verdict: if you're buying one body pillow that balances comfort, support, and longevity, the full-length shredded memory foam body pillow is the clear winner. It outperformed traditional fills, adapted best to different sleepers, and remained supportive night after night. In short, this is the body pillow most people actually need, and will keep using long after the novelty wears off. Thanks for watching BabyNBeauty. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss our deep dive product reviews. Sweet dreams, and we'll see you in the next video.